Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student of second prep, we are going to solve the questions of Egyptian Knowledge Bank. Okay, we have different questions. We start to revise for the April revision. We have to start with different questions. Let's start. Okay, question number one says that an object has a period of 4 seconds. Okay, the object oscillates for 48 seconds. So how many oscillations does the object complete? Okay, we can calculate this one. How we can calculate this? We have number of oscillation equal total time of all oscillations divided time of one complete oscillation. Okay, if you want to get the number of oscillations, we can get the total time of all divided time of one, that we can get how or what is the number of complete oscillations that we have done. Okay, so we have the total time here, we have 48 seconds divided 4, so it will get 12 oscillations. So the right answer will be 12 oscillations. Okay, we have different questions like choose. In this one we have choose, but we can calculate the steps to get the choose or the right answer. Okay, let's going to question 2. Question 2 says that a pendulum starts with its bob at its greatest height. Okay, to right or to left. The bob swings away from and back to its starting position. The frequency of pendulum is 1.5 hertz. How many times does the bob swing from its starting position and back again to in a time of 6 seconds? Okay, at first we will know that we have the frequency here and its what and its periodic time. We have the frequency and its periodic time. We want to know how many times or what is the speed. Okay, number of pop swings equal frequency time time of one oscillation. Okay, so here we have the frequency 1.5 time of one oscillation. Okay, so we get 9 oscillations. Okay, if we want to get the number of pop swings, means that we want what, that we want the speed of the bob swing. We have the frequency time, periodic time. Periodic time means time of one oscillation. So we have here the frequency 1.5 hertz, and we have time of one oscillation or periodic time or oscillation time. So we have 1.5 times 6, we get 9 oscillations. So the right answer will be 9 times, means its speed 9 times. So we can measure the speed by a measuring unit called times or meter per second. Okay, so number of pops time, its times 9 height, 9 its height, or 9 times its height. This means that its speed 9 times. Okay, so we have to go to question 3. Question 3 says that what is the frequency of oscillation shown in the figure? We have, okay, we have here straight line, up and down displacement in the positive and negative direction. We have here time in second. We make 1. Here we have, if we can count, we must count 1, this 1 quarter, 2, 3, 4. This make 1 complete oscillation. Also 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 2 oscillation. 3 here and 4. So we have here 4 complete oscillations. And the time, here we have time of 1, 2, time of 2 equals 0.5, and time of 4 as all will be 1 second. 1 second. So if we want to calculate the frequency, number of oscillations, we count it 4 divided time in second. We have 4 divided 1, so the right answer will be 4 hertz. So the frequency will be 4 hertz. Okay, the questions are very easy. We have to solve a lot of problems with different ideas. Something different here, that we have new expressions or a way or new words that express the oscillation or that express the periodic time in a new words just. Okay, let's going to question 4. Question 4 says that an oscillation has a frequency of 2 hertz. What is the frequency of oscillation multiplied by period of the oscillation? Okay, if we want, if we have here frequency, time, periodic time, or period of oscillation, this means we have periodic time and the frequency. If we have the frequency equal to hertz, so the periodic time will be 1 over 2. Okay, what we will make, we want to make frequency time periodic time, so we will get any numbers of frequency hertz time 1 over the number of frequency or time periodic time, so we will get at the end unity or 1. As we mentioned before, they are reciprocal to each other, so the frequency is reciprocal for what? For periodic time or period of oscillation, so it will give at any numbers, they will give 1 or unity. Okay, if we can calculate frequency time in second, so we will add numbers. 2 times half will give 1, so the right answer will be 1 if we make frequency time periodic time. It is a very important question and it is one of the student book questions. Okay, let's go to question 5. Question 5 says that an object has frequency of 4 hertz. How many oscillations will the object complete in 25 seconds? Okay, we have here the frequency and we have the time, periodic time, so we will calculate frequency 4 hertz and time of all oscillation or all the doing 25 seconds. Okay, so number of oscillations equal frequency time all oscillations, frequency time of all oscillations, so we will make multiply 4 hertz here time 25 and we will get 100 oscillations. So the number of here of oscillations that we make in 25 seconds will be 100 oscillations. Okay, as we mentioned, we make 25 seconds and we have frequency 4 hertz, so the right answer will be 100. Okay, let's going to question 6. Okay, question 6 says that which of the following is a unit of frequency? What is the unit of frequency? Okay, we said the frequency will be as a unit, it's number of complete oscillation over time. Maybe we use number or oscillations divided time, oscillation divided time, or we can remove oscillation slash time and oscillation slash second and write the new measuring unit, we called it hertz. Okay, so the right answer will be hertz here, or we can put the unit, we can say oscillation per second, oscillation per second. Okay, if we have this one, you can choose this. In some exams they give us the derivative of the measuring unit. Okay, so the derivative of the measuring unit hertz will be oscillation per second. Okay, so we are going to question. Okay, question 7 says that what is the frequency of oscillation shown in the figure? We have here the displacement that in the positive and negative, and we have here 1, 2, 3 and 4 oscillation, and all the time of them 1. Okay, we want the frequency number of complete oscillation divided time in seconds. So we have frequency equal number of complete oscillation over time in seconds. So we have 4 divided 1, so we will get 4 hertz. So the right answer will be 4 hertz. Okay, I think we have different question, but I think it's very easy for us. Okay, let's going to question 8. Question 8 says that what is the frequency of oscillation shown in the figure? We have also, but in a different number. We have here complete oscillation 1, 2, 3, and 4 also, but we have different number. We have 4 all in time 2 seconds. Okay, we have to calculate frequency equal. We want the frequency number of complete oscillation divided time in second. We have 4 divided 2, so we will get 2 hertz. So the right answer will be 2 hertz. This is question 8. Question 9, let's going to question 9 says that an oscillation has frequency of 10 hertz. What is the period of this oscillation? Okay, we have frequency. If we want to get the period of oscillation, it means that 1 over the frequency. So we will have the right answer here, periodic time or period of oscillation equal 1 over frequency. So we will get 1 over 10 or 0.1 second. So the right answer here will be 0.1 second. Okay, let's going to question 10. The last question of our group today. We have what is the frequency of the oscillation shown in the graph. We have put in the positive displacement and one other in the negative. We have here 4 oscillations, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have time for them 8 seconds, and we have 4 oscillations. So what is the frequency? Number of oscillation 4 divided 8, so we will get 0.5. Frequency equal number of all oscillations over time in second. Number of all oscillations 4 divided 8, so the right answer will be 0.5 hertz. So the right answer will be 0.5 watt hertz. Okay, this is the last question, okay, of our group today. Thank you for joining. I hope you enjoy this part of problems, okay, of the questions for the unit 1. Okay, I hope you can understand and solve a lot of problems. I think it's easy for you. I hope you enjoy. You can mention any questions below the video or ask for any one or any questions with these ways of communication on the YouTube or Facebook. Okay, I hope you enjoy. Thank you for joining and good luck.